Hi guys, and welcome to this week's weekly EO Byte. Today, one of our engineers, Mike, is going to go over URL filtering with you guys. We hope you enjoy the video, and we will see you guys next week.
Hi, Michelle, and thanks for bringing me back to do another Elite Ops Weekly Bite. In today's cloud-first world, where users access the internet from everywhere and threats are constantly evolving, URL filtering and Zscaler internet access plays a critical role in maintaining security and compliance. At its core, URL filtering is like your network's first line of defense. It inspects every web request and determines whether access should be allowed, blocked, or cautioned, not just based on domain, but the full URL path and its associated risk category. This helps you prevent users from reaching malicious or inappropriate websites, control access to high-risk categories like GenAI platforms, and block shadow IT before it becomes a problem. What makes ZIA's approach to URL filtering so powerful is it uses a real-time cloud-based URL categorization engine. This engine classifies millions of websites across over 100 categories, everything from malware and phishing to social media, adult content, and even niche cases like AI tools or command and control callbacks. You can build out granular policies using conditions like user identity, group, location, time of day, and even custom URL categories, which is great for internal tools, partner portals, or requesting specific features on legitimate websites. But URL filtering isn't just about restriction, it's also about visibility and control. ZI gives you rich analytics and reporting to track who is accessing what, when, and how often. That data can be used to enforce policies, identify risky behavior, or feed into incident response. And when combined with SSL inspection, DLP, and threat protection, URL filtering ensures even allowed web traffic is safe and compliant. At the end of the day, URL filtering may feel like a legacy tool, but in Zscaler's platform, it's a modern, flexible, and deeply integrated control point that gives you the insight and enforcement needed to secure the modern workforce. Now let's take a quick look at where this lives inside of your Zscaler environment. To navigate to policy, you select URL and Cloud App Control, which will land you on the URL filtering policy page. As other rules in Zscalers, rules are evaluated in a top-down, first match order. To add a new rule, you would click Add URL Filtering Rule. In this pane, you can select your rule order. You can create a custom name for your rule, enable or disable it. You're able to select specific URL categories that you would like to apply your policy to. You can get granular with your control, apply to specific users, groups, departments, locations, and you're able to allow, caution, block, or if you have the appropriate licensing, you're able to isolate that traffic. Another callout is if a specific URL is not in one of these predefined URL categories, you are able to create custom URL categories and apply them to the policy. Thanks for watching. That is our quick summary on URL filtering and its capabilities inside Zscaler. And as always, have a great day from everyone here at Elite Ops.